Hi there, my 7th grade grammar class. I sure am missing you all. I hope things are going well. We have made it to Wednesday, and I just want to tell you a couple things that we're doing today. So if you look in classwork, and this is going to be light gray because it's not released yet, but it's Wednesday for you, and you're going to have your Wordly Wise quiz today. It is on a Google form. I imagine by now you've had a Google form, but you're going to just click it and it's going to open up and it's going to just ask you some questions and you're going to go through and click the answers and you're done. There are 20 questions, so that's what you're doing for that. You hit submit at the end and it will, when you get to the very bottom, you get next. There are a couple pages of it. Oh, see, it's not going to let me because I have to answer things, but it will let you. I've set it up so that if you've missed one, it'll turn red and you've got to go back and do it. But at the end, you'll see where it says to submit it. I'll get your grades to you all after everyone's taken it. So the next thing you're going to do is a creative writing assignment, and it's super fun. You're going to go down and open this where it says picture writing, and it's actually on a Google slide. There's some directions here, but each one has there's a picture. So you've got a picture and it's got an idea for you, your encounter with the great white shark. I'm not going to go through all the pictures because y'all will have fun looking at them. You can choose whichever picture that you want to do today. On the slide following the picture is the spot where you're going to write about it. So you're just going to type your stuff right here. You can make it whatever font you want it to be. What they've got is fine, but you can change it. And you're going to write for me. Start off with something exciting, a quotation or in the middle of the action, or it could be, on a really boring day at the beach, my dad decided we needed to go fishing, whatever. Be creative. You guys have lots of creative energy. I know that you need to expend. So use some of it writing, and you may choose, like I said, any of these. We're going to go back. We're going to do at least 5 of these. You won't have to, you can look through the pictures, but I'm sure there'll be 1 or 2 that just don't resonate with you, so you won't have to do that. But in the next couple of days and next week, we'll just be doing some creative writing. So do that for today, and that is all you're doing for me today. I do want to show you one thing about organization. You guys are super smart, organized 7th graders. See right over here where my apps are when I am in any Google application. If you're Google Classroom or in your Gmail, you go over here to these 9 dots, click them, and you'll see Google Drive. I'm going to open my drive. I'm going to show you guys how to make folders. If you don't already know how to do it, you can go to New and click it, and then just click Folder. And it's going to tell you to name the folder. And what I would suggest for you all is to go ahead and make folders for each of your classes. So you would make this into 6th grammar. I already have one called this in mind, but anyway, call it that. You hit create, and then you can just drag your things that you've done, whether it's a Google slide or a form or a document, but it's going to really help you all as we continue to do online schooling. It's going to help you to keep your work organized for each of your classes. So I highly recommend that. Another reason is, like for example, this picture writing prompt we're doing today, you'll be accessing that repeatedly. So anyway, that you'll be able to find it. So that is all for today. If you have any questions, you can email me, and I will look forward to seeing your creative stories. Have a great day. Bye.